You see that Gmail address you created years ago, the one that you are embarrassed to share. Google finally fixed it. You can now change your Gmail address without losing emails. We'll show you how to do it step by step, first on your phone and then on your laptop or computer. Stay with me as we show you how to do it in seconds. On your smartphone, you only need to go to your browser. I'm using Chrome in this case. And then you'll go to account.google.com. I'll make sure that I put the link in the video description below. And then you need to sign in your account and then come to this personal info. You will click on the email, and right on this page, on this section called Google account email, you will see a blue button. Below your email address, you will see a blue button called change email address, and that's where you are supposed to click on it, and then you will input your new email. Mine is not available because this feature is a pilot feature that is being tested, especially in India. This is where it all starts. Let me now show you how to do it on a laptop or a computer. On your account, you need to head over to myaccount.google.com. I'll make sure that I put the link in the video description below. You then need to go to the personal info, the left part of your screen. Click on the personal info. And then you need to click on the email. Right on this page, you will see this Google account email, and you will see a blue button just around this current address that you have. Then if you click it, it will guide you on how to change the email address. Okay, mine is not available simply because I'm not in India, because this is a pilot feature that is being tested in India first, and then it will be rolled out to other countries and even regions, and that should be it. And just to be clear, changing your email address does not cancel or break anything. You will keep access to all subscriptions, apps, and Google services. Your old email does not disappear either. It stays connected as an alias to the same account. So nothing is lost, only the address changes. We'll continue to update you whenever there is a change. Be productive and follow us for more productivity tips.